Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The domestic equity market is expected to open on a weaker note, tracking a sharp sell-off in the global markets. Israel has launched airstrikes on an Iranian nuclear facility, significantly raising geopolitical tensions in the Gulf region. Brent crude prices have surged almost 10%, climbing above $75 per barrel due to concerns over potential supply disruptions from the Middle East. Domestically, India's retail inflation for May fell to a 6-year low of 2.8%, significantly below the RBI's projection of 3.7%. However, heightened geopolitical risk and concerns over global trade tensions remain major overhangs for the market. To start with our first segment for Friday, 13th June 2025, Nifty index opened on a flattish note, but bears took charge right from the opening tick as the index witnessed selling pressure from the higher levels. It inched lower throughout the session, with every small bounce being sold into, indicating persistent weakness. Due to the pressure, the index slipped below the psychological 25K mark, reaching it after the recent breakout. Nifty corrected by more than 350 points from its intraday highs and took support near 20 DEMA, witnessing a minor recovery in the last hour. It formed a large bearish candle on the daily chart, wiping out gains of the last 3 trading sessions. The index has negated its recent sequence of higher highs and ended the day with losses of around 250 points. India VIX was up by around 2.5% to 14 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.92. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,400 to 25,400 levels, while immediate levels is in between 24,600 to 25,100 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,831 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 9,394 crores. FII's index long-short ratio is hovering near 20%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now if Nifty holds below 25K, profit booking could be seen towards 24,600, while hurdles can be seen at 25,000 zones. If Bank Nifty holds below 56,250, weakness could be seen towards 55,555 marks, while upside hurdle can be seen at 56,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Dr. Reddy, TechM, SBI Card, Muthoot Finance, AU Bank, RBL Bank and LTIM. While some weakness could continue in Shriram Finance, Piramal Pharma, Petronet, Dixon, Titan and Power Grid. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.